The popular social media platform TikTok faces a potential ban in the United States, a move that has sent shockwaves through its vast user base. This stems from national security and data privacy concerns, which have been a growing issue in the digital age. The app's parent company ByteDance is based in China, adding to the complexity of the situation. This has raised fears about potential influence from the Chinese government, which many believe could access user data. TikTok has become deeply ingrained in American culture, especially among the younger generation. It boasts millions of users and significantly impacts online trends, shaping the way people communicate and entertain themselves. The potential ban has sparked intense debate and legal battles, with many arguing for and against the app's presence in the US. The outcome will have significant implications for social media, data privacy, and US-China relations, potentially setting a precedent for future tech regulations. This essay delves into the recent developments surrounding the TikTok ban, providing a comprehensive overview of the situation. We will explore the Supreme Court's decision, the Biden administration's response, and President-elect Trump's potential actions, all of which play crucial roles in this unfolding drama. We will also examine the potential buyers for TikTok's US operations, and discuss the national security and data privacy concerns fueling the ban, shedding light on the broader implications. Finally, we will analyze the potential implications for American users and the uncertain road ahead, as the future of TikTok in the US hangs in the balance. The Supreme Court's decision is pending. The court is currently weighing the legality of the law mandating TikTok's sale or ban. This law, passed in 2023, reflects growing concerns over TikTok's data security practices. The court's decision, expected any day, will have immediate and far-reaching consequences. If the court upholds the law, it could force ByteDance to sell its US operations or face a complete ban. The decision will likely set a precedent for future cases involving social media platforms and national security concerns. The Supreme Court's ruling is just one piece of the puzzle. The Biden administration and President-elect Trump also play crucial roles in determining TikTok's fate. Their actions, shaped by political considerations and legal constraints, will significantly impact the app's future in the US. The Biden administration has chosen not to intervene in the TikTok case. Despite earlier reports suggesting potential action, the administration has stated it lacks the legal authority to delay the ban. This decision reflects the complex legal landscape surrounding the issue. The administration's stance has drawn criticism from some quarters, who argue that a ban would stifle free speech and harm American businesses. Others applaud the decision, citing national security concerns as paramount. The Biden administration's decision to step back puts the ball firmly in President-elect Trump's court. Trump, known for his tough stance on China, will have to navigate a complex web of political, economic, and security considerations when deciding how to proceed. President-elect Trump faces a critical decision regarding TikTok's fate. He has several options on the table, each with its own set of implications. Trump could choose to uphold the ban, forcing ByteDance to divest its US operations. Alternatively, he could explore a temporary suspension, allowing more time for negotiations. Trump's decision will likely be influenced by his administration's stance on China. A hardline approach could see Trump prioritizing national security concerns above all else. Conversely, a more pragmatic approach might lead to a negotiated settlement, allowing TikTok to operate under stricter regulations. Adding to the complexity, several potential buyers have emerged, each with their own motivations and strategies for acquiring TikTok's US operations. The outcome of these negotiations will depend on factors such as the sale price, data security guarantees, and potential regulatory hurdles. Several prominent companies have emerged as potential buyers for TikTok's US operations. The app, known for its viral videos and massive user base, has attracted significant interest from various sectors. These include tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon, both of which have the resources and infrastructure to potentially take TikTok to new heights. Additionally, investment groups such as Project Liberty, led by Frank McCourt, have also shown interest, bringing a different kind of expertise to the table. Each potential buyer brings its own strengths and weaknesses to the table, which makes the decision-making process even more complex. This has resulted in a highly competitive bidding process, with each entity trying to outmaneuver the others. ByteDance, eager to salvage its lucrative US business, has reportedly set a high asking price for TikTok. The company is keen to ensure that it gets the best possible deal. This has led to protracted negotiations and complex deal structures, as potential buyers try to meet ByteDance's demands while also protecting their own interests. The final outcome will depend on factors such as data security guarantees, regulatory approvals, and the ability to navigate the intricate legal landscape. Strategic alignment between ByteDance and the chosen buyer will also play a crucial role in determining the success of the deal. The sale of TikTok's US operations, if it occurs, will have significant implications for the app's users, potentially altering their experience on the platform. Data privacy concerns remain paramount as users worry about the potential for their information to be mishandled or accessed by unauthorized entities. Ensuring robust data protection measures will be essential for maintaining user trust and the app's continued success in the US market. National security and data privacy concerns lie at the heart of the TikTok debate. The app, which has gained immense popularity worldwide, has come under intense scrutiny from various governments, particularly in the United States. US officials have expressed fears that the Chinese government could pressure ByteDance into handing over user data or using the app for espionage purposes. These fears are not unfounded, given the geopolitical tensions and the competitive nature of global tech dominance. These concerns stem from China's history of internet censorship and its track record of using technology for surveillance. The Great Firewall of China and extensive surveillance systems have long been points of contention in international discussions about privacy and freedom. TikTok has repeatedly denied these allegations, asserting that it operates independently of the Chinese government and that American user data is stored securely outside of China. The company has taken steps to increase transparency and build trust with its global user base. However, these assurances have done little to quell the concerns of US lawmakers and intelligence officials. The debate continues to rage on, with some calling for a complete ban on the app and others advocating for stricter regulations. The outcome of the TikTok saga will have far-reaching consequences for the future of social media and data privacy. It will influence how other social media platforms are perceived and regulated, potentially reshaping the digital landscape. It could set a precedent for how governments regulate tech companies operating across borders and raise important questions about the balance between national security and individual freedoms. The decisions made today will echo into the future, impacting users and companies alike. The road ahead for TikTok remains uncertain. The Supreme Court's decision, President-elect Trump's actions, and the outcome of negotiations with potential buyers will all play a crucial role in shaping the app's fate. The TikTok ban highlights the growing tensions between the US and China in the tech sphere. It also underscores the challenges of regulating social media platforms in an increasingly interconnected world. As we navigate this complex landscape, it is crucial to prioritize data privacy, protect freedom of expression, and ensure a fair and transparent process for all stakeholders involved. The TikTok saga is far from over. It will continue to be a focal point of debate and scrutiny in the months and years to come. The outcome will have significant implications for the future of social media, data privacy, and US-China relations.